Hi, welcome to Tea with Jann. I am Jann. Today I am excited to open this box with you. Let's get going. So if you are new here, welcome. We discuss all kinds of things tea related, whether that be tasting tea, exploring tea, looking at new teaware, and vintage teaware is definitely where my love is. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and follow along. And if you are an old timer, no, that doesn't sound polite. I'm old. If you've been around for a while, thank you so much for sticking around with me. I think we make tea fun together. This here is going to be spectacular. If you received, let's crack this open a bit and chat while we go. Hopefully I don't cut my face off. Oh my goodness! Oh my gracious! So this here box, if you've been around and following me for a while, you know that for the month of December we did Vlogmas, which meant that we did tea advance throughout the whole month. And we did the 12 days of countdown with tea thoughts. This is going to be the countdown to Valentine's Day. So excited. I'm not a huge person for Valentine's Day. However, and I don't know why. I have nothing against Valentine's Day. I have a wife. I'm sure I will do something lovely with her. But I don't know. I've never really, jeez. I always found like there was a lot of pressure with Valentine's Day, and it's like, show me love all year long, not just one day. That being said, I am super excited for this because we've got something to look forward to each day. So all we're doing today is we're going to depackage it. It should be all packaged up. Little tiny boxes of goodness. I don't know what I'm doing. This is what usually happens. Countdown to Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day has always been special to me. To Nazanin, not me. Although it is a commercial holiday, I viewed it as a time to reach out to those that I love who I may not see as often. I would hand make punny and or corny Valentines and send them to friends and family members around the country. This is what Valentine's should be about. I've been doing it wrong, Nazanin. I vowed to start sending more snail mail this year, and these boxes are part of that. I hope these little treats bring joy to your day. This is amazing. While I encourage experimentation with brewing the teas, I have also left you some very general guidelines to help have fun. Please note that all of these teas included in this calendar are usually brewed in smaller vessels with less water and produce multiple infusions. If you have a larger teapot, for example, don't fill it entirely. I mentioned washing the tea. This is where you pour water in and then out for a shorter period of time to wash or wake up the tea. And she gives the directions for oolong, ripe pu'er, white tea, and black tea. So we know that we have those to look forward to. Then there's this little thing. It says discounts with a heart. Am I supposed to look at this now, Nazanin? Yell if I'm not. Those are top secret. Oh, you guys. Look at this. So adorable. Come out, wherever you are. And it is gone. And we are left with one little package. Tea Thoughts, products made for the tea lover by a tea lover. Love it. I love it. I love it. It's her little business card. Super adorable. I love it. That's awesome. And I love this packaging. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Boop, ba-da-doo, boop, boop, ba-da-doo, boop, 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 boop. Do you see this? This is amazing. Oh my gosh. It is a box with my name on it. I love this. I love it. Oh my gosh. And it's purple. And it's pink. And it's white. I know. I know. I am so sorry if you didn't manage to snag one. I told you guys, get it while it's hot. Drop it while it's hot? I don't know. You guys are so silly. All right. We are just going to peek at what they are. This is so dang adorable. Like, okay, so for starters, the box. Like, that is incredible. Then, do you guys see? This is customized wrapping paper with like little tea vessels on it. So adorable. I'm not gonna peek. I'm not gonna peek. I'm not gonna peek. All right. Number 1, flat. Number 12, long. And then we have, oh, there's an extra. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. 14. Not gonna peek. I'm so tempted. I don't know why. Look at this, you guys. Seriously, you know what you need to do? You need to go and get on her mailing list or whatever she does. I'm sorry, Nazanin. My memory and thought processes are crazy. So I can't remember anything. I'll put it on the screen. Because she's gonna do a countdown for Christmas and you're gonna wanna get on that. Because look at how adorable this is. How fun is my February gonna be? It is gonna be amazing. Amazing! We are tucking these all back in. Should take a picture first. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. I'm gonna tuck it back away, but like seriously, you guys, how incredible is this? We are gonna have so much fun. I am going to do a daily unboxing, probably gonna be vlog style like I did at Christmas time. You guys seem to enjoy that. If you'd rather me not do vlog style with these and do an actual sit down, let me know. Tell me in the comments down below, what do you want me to do? You still have time to help me decide. And I might do a giveaway during this. That would be fun, right? I think so. All right, you guys. I'll see you in the comments. Until next time, take care. Bye. I'm so excited.